So I'm here in Lammas land, I believe. I always get confused between these commons and Cambridge, even though I've been here a long time. These smaller ones are actually a bit more tricky to identify. And it's Sunday morning, sorry, actually Sunday afternoon again, and I'm just about to do some more plein air. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. Weather forecast was wrong as usual, but that's okay. Got a nice bit of sunshine and a beautiful scene of these cows in a beautiful meadow. These trees, these tall ones, I believe are black poplars, and then alongside those we've got obviously the crack willow. And a nice structural scene in the far distance with the bridge. And I think that should make quite a nice scene, especially now the cows are lying down. Hopefully they'll stay still. Hopefully that doesn't mean it's going to rain. And let's get on with it. So I think I'm heading towards the end now of painting. Just need to bring it together a little bit with some darks, a bit more structure, and then we'll be done. Quite a good afternoon, the sun as usual. It's quite harsh in the eyes. What's going on here? The cows having a bath. Beautiful idyllic scene. So it's got a lot better, this painting, which is good. I was constantly living and learning when it comes to painting. I'm much happier with the strokes and the colour. So I'm going to give it another hour or so. Hopefully the sun will go in a bit, so I won't have to strain my eyes so much. And then let's see how it goes. So just a quick tip which I think you might find helpful, where something I've sort of learned to do along the way is, I don't know about you, but I forget which brushes I've used when it comes to painting plein air. I may remember one or two, but generally I forget most of the ones which I used during the painting. So what I tend to do is the ones I've used, I always point in a certain direction when it comes to my pochard box. And the ones I haven't used, I always paint in the other direction. So the ones I haven't used, they're painting towards the right, and the ones I have used, which are going in here now, are painting towards the left. Okay, and so what that means is because I don't have time to give them a good clean when I'm out here in the field, but what it means is I can then identify which ones I've used and give them a proper clean when I go home. And hopefully with some new terpenoid, which I've just bought, and I recommend using terpenoid. Thank you to David Thompson for bringing that to my attention. And yeah, so this little tip: have a points facing in opposite directions as opposed to which ones you used. So coming to the end now. It's been a good afternoon of painting. And it is going to call it a day on this. It's been interesting to use some more abstract brush marks and just to convey what it is I actually see, and then using more colour theory rather than actually trying to capture the colours which I see. I'm actually using the colours on the palette to define what it is I see, if that makes any sense. So think about temperature, cooler colours against some more vibrant yellows, that kind of stuff, rather than trying to copy the exact colours from nature, which I have been doing up to now, and that's been very good sort of training. But now I want to bring in more colour theory and bring in the more importance of the aesthetic of the painting. Think of the painting as being living in its own individual world. So the relationships you make with colour, warm and cool, complementary colours, that kind of stuff. They're painting inhabits that world as opposed to the world we actually see. Okay, and this is my palette at the moment. I've actually extended the palette when it comes to choice of colours, so normally it's titanium white, creme yellow, alizarin crimson, an earth colour, and then ultramarine blue. But I've actually added cerulean blue, sap green and Naples yellow, and that just gives me more scope when it comes to temperature. And also the green is kind of a shortcut, so I can add blues or yellows to that in order to sort of bump up the temperature on that. And also the cerulean blue and the ultramarine has helped me to get the sky blue colour, that kind of lovely sort of not quite turquoise, but a kind of pale turquoise colour. And yeah, that's very good, adding those two colours together. And then tons of white, of course. And yeah, going to call it a day. And this is the view as I leave it. The cows have since moved on, but the clubbers have turned up with their ghetto blasters, whatever you call them these days. And yeah, it's time to move on and get a pint. Okay, so speak to you soon.